Hello there. If you're still watching, thank you very much, because most people don't last this long. Also, how are you doing today? I hope that you're doing good. I'll really appreciate it if we could get this video to 10 likes. So like this video if you haven't already, and share it with your friends. Anyways, let's get started. Let's begin. Okay, so it would be very boring if you were to watch the whole thing, so I'm gonna talk to make it less boring. Okay, so the first step is the rubber bands for the magazine. And well, this gun was actually designed originally by another YouTuber, which I will have a link in the description, but he charged money for his instructions, and well, I'm broke, so I couldn't afford them. Oh wait, I messed up here. Wait, let me restart. Okay, so back to what I was saying. His instructions costed money, so I decided to make my own gun and well, post it here. This next step is very annoying because these two pieces are very small and it took me literally forever to do, but somehow I managed to do it right here. Okay, so this next part is the magazine catch of the handle. It's here to hold the magazine in place when reloading and shooting. It's a pretty important part of the gun, and the gun wouldn't work without it. Now it's the rubber bands that actually shoot the bullets from the gun. I just attached two rubber bands together to make it long enough so that it will go across the whole gun. And yeah, that's it. Well, this part did take me a pretty long time to do because I don't know why it took me a long time, but it did. And I'm running out of things to say, to be honest. Oh yeah, so do you guys want a tutorial for this gun? Because if you do, then let's try to get this video to 10 likes, like I said before, because it does take a pretty long time to make tutorials. And yeah, if we get this video to 10 likes, I will try my best to make a very easy to follow along and simple tutorial for you guys so that you guys could build the gun. Okay, it's almost the end, and I just wanted to say, if you're still watching, thank you very much for watching. And also, I hope that you have a great rest of your day, and bye bye.